Welcome, my dear students. In this lecture, we will analyze a poem Ulysses by Lord Alfred Tennyson, who is a Victorian poet. Ulysses is a dramatic monologue based on the life and adventures of Ulysses, a legendary Greek warrior. Ulysses was one of the most important warriors who fought at the Battle of Troy. The theme of the poem is based on the idea that there is no end of anything, so man should not stop at some victories. Thus, the theme of the poem is man's endless thirst for knowledge and adventure. To quote, to follow knowledge like a sinking star beyond the utmost bound of human thought, unquote. Tennyson develops the theme of the poem by showing Ulysses' restlessness of present life. He compares his past life with all its excitement with his present life as king of Ithaca. After taking part in a long Troy war, he returned home, but he doesn't like to stay at home. He wants to go out again in search of new knowledge and adventure. The poem also conveys that knowledge is very vast. It is so vast that even 1,000 lives are not enough to gain all knowledge. In fact, there is no end to knowledge. Ulysses feels that he did wrong to have wasted 3 years of his life doing nothing. He hates idleness. He wants to spend his life more usefully. These lines shows his thirst for a better life. To quote his words, I cannot rest from travel. I will drink life to the lees, unquote. The poem gives some ideas of universal significance. Life doesn't mean only breathing, eating, and sleeping. Life means doing something good and great. Every hour is important because it is away from death. The meaning of the life is continuous travel. Although he is now old, he wants to travel and leave the ruling to his son Telemachus, who doesn't have his father's thirst for great heights of life. Asking his son to perform the duties of the kingdom, he inspires his companions to get ready for another journey. He wants to do something worthwhile before death. The poem shows the effect of the time on him and his friends. They have grown old. In the past, they were so strong that they could move earth and heaven, but time has made them old and weak. But though they have grown weak in body, they still have heroic hearts. They still have a strong will and determination to find new knowledge. Thus, Ulysses is an adventurous and bending spirit. It clears when he says to his companions to quote, to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield, unquote. This is also the message of the poem. Thank you.